Namaste and Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to our channel Rediscover to the World. Today we are celebrating Holika Dahan 2025 at the Preston Gujarati Hindu Society, a powerful Hindu tradition that marks the victory of good over evil and sets the stage for the grand Holi festival today. And hopefully I can show you some of the views outside the temple and also how we celebrate Holika, or we call Holi, a famous festival all over the world. And please watch till the end and to experience the rituals, prayer, and festive vibes as our community comes together for this auspicious occasion. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural celebration from the UK and around the world. Thank you. Holi is celebrated as the festival of color, love, and the arrival of spring, making the victory of good over evil. It is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology, eh, and you can primarily linked to the legend and why we celebrate it because why do we celebrate Holika Dahan? So Holika Dahan, the reason why we celebrate it, Holika Dahan is celebrated to symbolize the victory of good over evil, rooted in the Hindu legend of Prahlad and Holika. According to the mythology, Prahlad, a young devotee of Lord Vishnu, was targeted by his father and demon king of Vishnu Kashyap, Hiranyakashyap, who wanted him to abandon his devotion. To kill Prahlad, Hiranyakashyap's sister Holika, who had a magical fire resistance clock, and tricked him into sitting on a pyre with her. However, due to divine intervention, the clock protected Prahlad instead, and Holika was buried to ashes. This event signifies that faith, richness, and devotion always triumph over arrogance and evil. Every year, communities gather around a sacred fire, offering prayers and burning away negativity, making way for new beginning and the joyous celebrations of Holi, the festival of color, on the following day. People celebrate by playing with color, throwing waters, balloons, singing and dancing, sharing sweets like gujia, and strengthening bond with friends and family. It is a time to forgive past grievances, embrace positivity, and welcome new beginnings. Holi unites people beyond caste, religion, and status, spreading the message of harmony, happiness, and togetherness.
on a cake. No, I need that.
This festival is not just about rituals, it's about community bonding, joy, and togetherness. I love this festival. It's so much fun to see that fire, hear the prayers, and prepare for holy colors tomorrow. Family share sweets, laughter, and positive vibes, making the night unforgettable.
કેટલું ઊંચું હતું કે
દૂરથી નહીં ફેંકતા પ્લેસ જેવી અમને આપી દેજો નારિયેલ ગીવ મી અસ પ્લેસ
Now we are reaching.